Taken from Saxon, the word hedge defines a living boundary. Hedgerows have been used for thousands of years to separate animals and crops, but the benefits go far beyond dividing areas of land. The hedge provides a critical link between fragmented habitats with foraging, navigation and shelter for an incredible range of species. The hedge is essentially a woodland edge habitat without the rest of the woodland. Our hedgerows provide a great variety of native trees and shrubs such as hazel, blackthorn, dogwood and guelder rose, with such structural and species diversity that they're recognised as priority habitat under European and UK legislation. This variance in structure provides a variety of settings for some of our favourite species. You may find a song thrush perched atop the branches singing out for a mate, or a robin foraging in the mosses and lichens, or nest building deep in a bramble bush. Look closely and you'll see the bees, flies, bugs and beetles on petals, leaves and branches, carrying out the task of pollinating our plants and providing a tasty treat for a wide variety of predators. These long linear stretches of tree lines are important to our mammals too. Keep an eye out from dusk for the sleepy hedgehog who likes to follow borders and find their way around staying safe. Looking up, you should keep your eyes peeled for bats, who also like to use the long straight lines for guidance and the insect foraging that hedgerows provide. Increasingly, hedgerows are valued too for the major role they have to play in preventing soil loss, removing carbon from the atmosphere, and for their potential to reduce flooding. Change of land use and lack of management means that England and Wales have lost around a quarter of our hedgerows since 1984. While this decrease has recently slowed, we cannot restore the value in terms of wildlife, landscape and historical significance of long-established hedgerows. So how can we help? You can help hedgerows in a number of ways. Take part in the Great British Hedgerow Survey. Follow the link in the description to go to the survey site from the People's Trust for Endangered Species. You'll find lots of guidance to help you to understand how to survey. And of course a helpful video. You can then download your survey form and take it with you. The best steps you can take to protect any area of land is to increase local interest. So share your findings and get people interested in the natural environment. Wild Ideas is here to help you to start a group or organise an event, so get in touch and find out how we can support you to safeguard your wild spaces.